رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. You are watching Sami Al Quran online classes. Inshallah, in today's class, we will start Noorani Qaida Lesson number 10. In this lesson, we will do the exercise of all those rules which we learned in the previous lessons, such as Mufradat alphabets, compound letters, Muqatta'at letters, Harakat like Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, Tanween lesson, double Fatha, double Kasra, double Dhamma, vertical Harakat like standing Fatha, standing Kasra, inverted Dhamma, maddah lessons like Alif maddah, Waw maddah, and Ya maddah, and also we do exercise of the leen letters. So that's mean every lesson you learn in the previous classes, that all rules we apply together in this lesson, and we will do exercise of them. And also we read this lesson both ways, like with spelling. First we read this lesson with spelling, and then we read without spelling, and also you learn the waqfan like full stop, how to do waqfan when they end the word. So these all rules we apply here in this lesson. We read carefully and focus on those letters which we long here and which we read shortly. So I will read first and you should practice after me. Let us start now. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So we start from here. Here you can see the first letter Hamza standing Fatha. Here is coming standing Fatha. So we long here one alif time. As we say, Hamza standing Fatha. Mim Fatha Ma. Then we read together. Ama. Noon Fatha Na. Amana. As you remember, we only long here the Hamza because it has the standing Fatha, and we don't long here the Mim and Noon because it has the Fatha sign here. So that's why we long only Hamza. Amana, as we say, Amana. And also we do waqf here. Waqf means like we change the last letter sound. So this word is Amana. And when we say waqfan, then we change this noon sound, as we say aman. And the rule of waqfan for the double kasra, double dhamma, fatha, kasra, dhamma, if the any last letter comes with these signs, in waqfan case, we join the last letter with the letter coming before. As we say amana. In waqfan we say aman. The mim we joined with the noon. Aman. Hamza standing Fatha A. Waw standing Fatha Wa. Wa. We long here both letters. And also we don't read here this ya because it don't have any sign on it. So that's why this ya is silent. So we read Awa waqfan. Awa. If the last letter comes with the standing Fatha, so we do same waqfan like Awa. Hamza standing Fatha A. Noon kasrani. Ani. We don't long here noon because it has harakat. Ani. Ya fatha ya. Aniya, aniya. Ta double kasratin. And here, this tanween we read without gunna because the after tanween coming hamza, which is halqi letter. So that's why this ta we read without gunna, as we read ta double kasratin, aniyatin, aniyatin, waqfan, aniyah. And also you remember this ta, when this circle ta comes in the end and we have waqfan, so we convert this ta into the ha, as we say aniyah, aniyah. Hamza standing kasra i, lam standing fatha la, ila, fa kasra fi, ilafi, ilafi, waqfan, ilaf. Hamza ya fatha ay. And here you can see the ya coming with the sukoon sign and before it coming fatha. So this is the rule of ya leen, because whenever ya sakin before comes fatha, it is called ya leen, and the leen letters we read with the soft sound, as we read hamza ya fatha ay, noon fathana, aina, aina, waqfan, ain. Ba kasra bi, ha standing kasra hi, bihi. And here we only long here the ya, and the ba we don't long because it has kasra, as we say bihi, waqfan, bih. In this lesson you special care in the harakats, because when you long here harakats, it convert into the vertical harakat and it is wrong. In here the letter coming with the mud sign, so we have two things to long the letters, like one is mud and one is maddah letters. So here is coming maddah muttasil. So first we read the letter, then alif, then mad, and then we read sign. That looks like we read in the circle. So we spell this jim alif mad fatha, jim alif mad fatha, ja. We stretch it up to 5 seconds, as we say ja. Hamza fatha a, ja, ja, waqfan, ja. Jim alif mad standing kasra ji, hamza fatha a, ji, waqfan, ji. And also you remember, if you see any letter with the sukoon sign, so that letter you read with the previous letter. And here waw coming with the sukoon sign and before it coming dhamma, so this is the rule of waw madda, and the madda letters we stretch up to 2 seconds, as we say ju. We stretch the jim sound, jim waw dhamma ju. Ain double kasra ain, ju ain, ju'ain, waqfan, ju'a. And special care in the ain, pronounce the ain carefully, ju'ain, waqfan, ju'a. Kha, waw, fatha, khaw. And here we have the rule of waw leen, because the waw coming with the sukoon sign and before coming fatha. So this is waw leen and we read with the soft sound. Kha waw fatha khaw. Fa double kasra fin. Khawfin. Khawfin. Waqfan. Khawf. Kha ya fatha khay. We read with the soft sound because here coming the ya leen as we say kha ya fatha khay. And also you remember the all green letters we read with the bold sound as we read kha ya fatha khay. Ra double dhammarun. Khayrun. And this tanween we read with gunna because after tanween coming dal which is not halqi letter. So that's why we read 2 seconds longer from nose. Khayrun. Waqfan. Khayr. Dal standing fatha da. Waw inverted dhamma wu. Dawu. Dal dhamadu. Dawudu. And here we straight the 2 letters like dal and waw. Dawudu. Dawudu. Waqfan. Dawud. Dhal standing fatha dha. Lam kasra li. Dhali. Kaf fatha ka. Dhalika. We stretch only dhal. Dhalika. Waqfan. Dhalik. Ra fatha ra. Zad waw dhamma zu. Razu. Razu. We stretch the zad sound because it coming with the waw maddah. As we say, razu. Waqfan. Razu. And also you remember, if any last letter comes with the sukoon sign and here coming the waqf like full stop, so in the waqfan case we don't change the last letter sound. Razu. Waqfan. Razu. Waqfan will be same. Sheen alif mad fatha sha. We stretch up to 5 seconds because here coming mad. Sha. Hamza fatha a. Sha'a. Waqfan. Sha. Mim standing fatha ma. Lam kasra li. Mali. Kaf kasra ki. Maliki. Waqfan. Malik. Sheen ya fatha shay. And here coming the ya leen, we read with the soft sound as we say sheen ya fatha shay. Hamza double kasra in. Shay'in. Shay'in. Waqfan. Shay. Ta fatha ta. Ghain standing fatha gha. Tagha. Waqfan. Tagha. And also you remember, if any last letter have alif madda standing fatha and any sakin letter, like sakin means any letter comes with the sukoon sign, then in the waqfan we don't change the pronunciation of the word. And here is the standing fatha on the last letter, so we don't change the pronunciation. So we don't change the last letter sound in waqfan, as we say طغى waqfan طغى. طا فتحة طا، غين واو فتحة غو، طغوا طغوا وقفان طغوا. طا يا فتحة طي، را دبل فتحة رن، طيرا طيرا وقفان طيرا. And if the last letter comes with the double fatha, in the waqfan case, we read only one fatha, as we say طيرا طيرا. عين ألف فتحة عاء، دال دبل كسرة دين، عاد عاد وقفان عاد. عين فتحة ع، لام standing فتحة لا، على وقفان على. And also waqfan should be same because it has standing fatha. على. عين يا فتحة عي، نون دبل ضمان عين وقفان عين. فا يا كسرة في، ها كسرة هي، فيه فيه وقفان فيه. قاف ألف فتحة قا، لام فتحة لا، قال وقفان قال. And here we close this lesson. Inshallah, in the next class, we will start the second part of this lesson, and you just practice this lesson again and again. And inshallah, see you in next class. Have a good day. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.